I want to show you this really cool soldering station. I finally upgraded my soldering station, and this got all the bells and whistles that I never had. It's small footprint. That's the one thing. It's like, wow, it is really tiny. But it's so cool. They thought of so many things. You get a little metal reel. It comes with this particular solder, and that can screw to the side of the soldering station. So you can just pull that. Helping hands. I never had these before. Always trying to figure out a way to hold something so I can do some tight soldering. Comes with 3 tips, and then this cute little arm here, and it's flexible to hold your cord up while you're moving or maneuvering around. It is digital, and if you can see here, you can set the temperature as low as 190 all the way up to about 890, which is like really up there for soldering small things. So the tip, the handle, it's got a little foam cush right here, which is nice. It gives you a good way to grip this thing. The top here where you put this back in is nice. The hole's good. You've got your little brass cleaning up here in the front and your little sponge where you can put your water and to clean this thing. And it even has a little compartment back here where you can kind of put your tip in there and clean that off. It's got everything I want. Digital temperature settings, and it heats up really quick. The one thing, there is no magnifier, so I never liked the magnifier attached to it anyway because it was too small. So I love it. Great value and does everything I need.